In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up texting, calling and email in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a fully working number for texts and calls, and an email service connected so you can communicate with leads and clients from one place. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing into your account dashboard. If you're watching in a browser, you'll find the official link at the top of the description for quick access. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is where you'll manage all communication features. Open the phone number section and select Add Number. You can purchase a new number or connect an existing one. When choosing a number, consider the area code your audience expects and confirm the number supports both SMS and voice. If you're connecting an existing line, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. After the number is in your account, enable SMS for that number and save your settings. This activates texting so you can send and receive messages right away. Saving is important here. If you navigate away without saving, the SMS toggle won't take effect. Stay in the phone numbers area and click on the same number to turn on calling features. Enable calling, then configure your call settings. Set call forwarding so inbound calls go to the right destination when you or your team are unavailable. Add a clear voicemail greeting so missed callers know they reached the right place and can leave details. While you're here, review options like ring time and business hours to match how you operate. A short, professional voicemail that states your business name and callback expectations works best. Next, connect your email. Go back to Settings and choose Email Services. Click Add Service and select your provider, such as Gmail or an SMTP service. Sign in securely and grant the necessary permissions so GoHighLevel can send, receive, and track emails on your behalf. When you're done, confirm the connection shows as active. You should see a connected status or a green indicator when everything is set correctly. Finish by testing each channel. Send a test SMS to confirm it's delivered, place a quick test call to check audio and forwarding, and send a test email to make sure it reaches the inbox. If anything doesn't work, revisit the settings you just adjusted. Verify SMS and calling are enabled for your number, and double check that your email service has the correct permissions. You're all set. That's how to set up texting, calling and email in GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.